Right then, we're in a wee church called St Martin's of Tours. It's very dark. Very dark. Very dark. See that? It's very dark as well. Here we are. St Martin's of Tours, West Crewkerne. Right then, let's see. Oh, it's pitch black in here. Oh, I might have to come back and do this one. You can see how dark it is. You can hardly see the. You can hardly see the font. Wow! Look at that organ down there. It's massive. What I might have to do is go away, come back again with my little light so I can see what I'm looking at. It's picking up a bit of light, but I don't know how grainy it is. Right, so behind me is the room for the bells for the belfry, ropes for the bells for the belfry. And yeah. See that? There's the ropes. Nice stained glass window. The whole lot's got a stained glass. There's a couple of non-stained glass windows here. St Martin's of Tours, West Crewkerne. Cool. Gonna be tea brewing facility. Look at that, yay. That's nice. So we hideaway place this. Wow, cool. So I've just turned round. I'm gonna walk up the aisles. Lovely stone look like hamstone pillars. Look at them, yay. There's a mark on that one. There's a mark on that one over there. I don't know the history of this place yet. Marks. Got this end. Side altar up here. Oh, look at this. It's beautiful. There's this. It's very dark. I don't know if you can see it or not. What's that say over there? Look at that. Wow. Can you read the thing right? Thou art my patrons of Lord, O Lord, I said, what's that say? I can't read it. It's in the old English. Cool. It's even darker here. I don't know if you can read any of that. Oh, really tight. I can't read none of that. Looks a bit blurry. See if it looks when I get back on the computer. It's looking back up from whence I came. God, that's beautiful, isn't it? Right. Oh, names on the floor here. What's this one say? Underneath is the vault of the Matter family. Underneath this floor, probably. I guess it's the main altar. Here. It's very dark in here. Very. Look at that. Can you read what it says on the window? No, it's in Latin. Can I read? There's no point in pointing at the pictures because you can't see them. I'll come down and take photographs of them. There's an old one on the floor. Can't even see that. Very dark in this corner. Yeah, look at that. But it is beautiful. It looks tiny, isn't it? The church looks tiny from the outside. Look, those lovely big columns in it. And there's the organ up here. Behind the curtain, which is totally black, is the organ.